teacher, Diana. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today, ma'am is going to teach you the phonics A to Z. Before that, let's say the alphabet names. Are you all ready to say the alphabet name, my dear children? Do you know how many letters are there in the alphabet? Yes, you all are right. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Let's say the alphabets correctly. Repeat after ma'am. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. You all are right, children. Ma'am is giving you all a big applause. Very good. For today, ma'am is going to teach you the letter sounds. What do you know by letter sounds? Do all of you know the letter sounds? No. Ma'am will now teach you the letter sounds. Let's learn and let's start reading. Okay, my dear children? Before the class, ma'am will give you a small explanation about phonics. What do you mean by phonics? Yes, phonics is nothing but the letter sounds. There are 26 letters in the alphabet and we call the letters A, B, C. These are the names of the letters. Sounds are different from the letters. We use the letters to spell and write. We use the phonic sounds to blend and read. Now, if you listen to the class carefully and if you do the regular practice of these phonic sounds, you will start reading in your early stage itself. If you do your regular practice in your phonic sounds, then you will start reading quickly. Okay, my dear children? Ma'am will help you to read very easily and I will teach you how to read and how to blend the sounds and read in the coming up classes. For today, I will teach you the letter sounds. Are you ready to learn, my dear children? Just do the action after ma'am. Okay, my dear children? Each letter, just for you to remember the sound, I am going to teach you with action. Each letter, when I do the action, you should say the sound. First, I will teach you the letter sounds with action. In the coming up classes, when ma'am do the action, you should say the sound. Okay, my dear kids? Now let's begin the class. The first letter is A. A is the letter name. Do you know what is the sound of A? The sound of A is A, A, A. All of you say after ma'am. A, A, A. A, A, A. Very good. The next letter B. B sounds B, B, B. Keep your hands together and repeat after ma'am. B, B, B. B, B, B. Good. Next letter is C. The sound is K, 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 K. Good. The next letter is D. D sounds as D, 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 D. The next letter is E. E letter sounds as E, E, E. Remember, like you're cracking the egg. The next letter is F. F sounds as, do the action after ma'am. Just follow ma'am and do the action. Very good. The next letter is G. The next letter is G. Keep your hands like this and do G, 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 G. G sounds as G, G, G. Very good. The next letter is H. H sounds as, when you breathe hard, how will you breathe? This is the sound of H. The next letter is I. I sounds as E, E, E. All of you say E, E, E. E, E, E. Very good. The next letter is J. J sounds as J, J, J. All of you keep your hands on the hip and say J, J, J. J, J, J. J, J, J. Good. The next letter is K. C and K has the same sound. To identify, letter C sound is K, K, K. Letter K also has the same sound. K, K, K. So to identify and know the difference between the letter C and K, you should remember for letter K like you playing with the kite. So just keep your hands like this and do very good, children. What's the next letter? What's the next letter? Guess what's the next letter? Yell. You're right. Remember, like you're eating a lollipop. Lollipop. The next letter is yam. Just keep your hands on your stomach and rub the stomach and say mmm. Mmm. When mommy prepares delicious food, what will you do? Mmm. Very delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Very good. The next letter is N. Remember, like you're flying in the air. Mm, like you're flying in a plane. The plane makes a noise of mm. Bite your teeth and say mm. Very good. The next letter is O. O sounds as O, O, O. O, O, O. The next letter is P. So you should just keep your fingers like this and the next letter is Q. Just keep your hands like this and say, just keep your hands like this and the Q sound is Q, Q, Q. Q, Q, Q. Q, Q, Q. Q, Q, Q. Very good. Very good. The next letter is R. R sounds as When the dog plays with the rat, how will it sound? Very good. What's the next letter? S. S sounds as how will the snake split us? How will the snake make noise? Letter S sounds as Very good. What's the next letter? T. You're right. T sounds as T, 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 T. Next letter is U. Letter U sounds as just like, remember, just you imagine like you're opening up an umbrella. All of you do it. Very good. The next letter is V. Just imagine like you're driving the van. Very good. The next letter is W. W, you should imagine like you're drinking some water. Wa, 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 wa. Very good. The next letter is X. Imagine like you're taking a photograph. Very good. The next letter is Y. Imagine like you're eating the yogurt. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. The next letter is Z. Imagine like you're the bee and the bee sounds as or if you buzz. So these are the sounds of alphabet. Did all of you learn? Did all of you enjoy learning the sounds? It may look funny for you kids, but this sound works a lot. Once you start identifying the sounds of the letter, you could start reading. So ma'am will help you in reading fast. Okay, my dear kids, so do your phonics practice at home. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye-bye children. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye kids. Bye-bye.